Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to be learning how we can change the password of our Epic Games account. So leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. If you want to change the password for your Epic Games account, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is to simply tap on the three lines option located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then from the top right hand side, you'll find your profile icon. Now, if you are logged in, by tapping the profile icon, you'll be taken to the account page. So go to the account page first. Then when you go to the account page, by first you'll be under account settings, right? But you want to tap on this drop down menu and instead go to this option that says password and security and just tap on it. Then once you tap on password and security, there are a couple of options that you'll be able to see again. Then from here, you simply have to enter your current password, then enter the new password, and once done, you'll be able to just tap on the save changes option in order to save it. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically change your Epic Games password. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.